Good Thursday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this December the 19th, 2013. Another beautiful day setting up for us across eastern North Carolina, but we're still talking about a near record warm temperatures as we head towards the weekend, and also rain chances as we go into the first portion of the upcoming week before we head into the Christmas holiday. So let's talk about that and look ahead as well and get you a look at your Christmas holiday forecast as well. Here's a look at the temperatures this morning. Most areas started off in the upper 20s and low 30s as expected. We're at 32 Swan Quarter, as well as Greenville, 33 at Washington, and at Morehead City. Still in the 20s for Kenansville and Jacksonville. Should start to come up over the next few hours. High pressure building off to the east this morning. It's bringing in the southwesterly flow, and that's going to be a very strong fixture over the next couple of days. Look at the precision forecast model as we head through the rest of today. Upper 50s and low 60s expected. A few clouds may sneak in through the afternoon hours into the overnight, mainly for coastal areas. Now you see here painting a couple of light sprinkles, maybe a shower or two down along the coast. I don't think it's going to be too big of an issue tomorrow. But we'll make the mention for maybe a passing shower for our coastal areas. But I think for the most part, we'll go with partly cloudy skies and warmer temperatures. For the most part today, upper 50s and low 60s expected with mostly sunny skies. Like I said, maybe a stray shower, a stray cloud or two through the afternoon hours. Upper 50s and low 60s for our inland locations. Coastal areas may be staying just a touch cooler today. Tonight, into the upper 30s and low 40s, not as cold thanks to a few clouds in the sky and also the southwesterly breezes helping to bring in the moisture. So what have we been talking about? We've been talking about this big storm system that is developing back off to the west, and you can kind of see the general idea where this thing is located currently in the current jet stream pattern. And as this gets its act together here over the next 12 to 24 hours, I mean, this thing's really going to start to ramp up here. You see the moisture starting to, that's getting tapped into from the Pacific right now. And by the time we head towards Saturday, it's really going to tap into some Gulf moisture and really ramp up. Our precision forecast model will take us into the next couple of days. Maybe a stray shower, like I said, tomorrow. And we're dry on Saturday. And the frontal boundary is making its way into the mid-Mississippi Valley. Likely a severe weather situation for those guys from Little Rock to Memphis, back through Tyler, Texas. Snows up to the north of that. Maybe some heavy snows back over into, this is Sunday afternoon, and, big travel days here we're talking about. And the line of showers and thunderstorms making its way through the, basically through the Ohio River Valley and also the Tennessee River Valley, all stretching all the way down to Mobile. And like I said, snows back up into Chicagoland. That's going to snarl up the American hub. Then we fast forward this. This is 7 p.m. on Sunday, and the main energy source is well to the north, and most of the shower activity still west of the mountains. Big game over in Charlotte. The Panthers and the Saints playing. They should be dry for the most part. Maybe a shower late in the game, but they're going to at least be warm. That's one good piece of good news, because we're talking about those warmer temperatures really starting to pump in here ahead of the frontal boundary. You see where that low is going to basically track as we go into the next couple of days, but we're getting in some warm stuff here. Our record high temperature in Greenville is 77 on the 22nd. We're forecasting 75, 76 at New Bern and Jacksonville. That's the forecast, and the records are at 78. Hatteras is 75, and we're forecasting 72 for them. And with a southwest wind, it could be much cooler, especially coming over the Pamlico Sound. It usually will cool down the temperatures, but hey, 72. 850 temperatures are way up there as well. Most of the 850 temperatures will be upwards of maybe 16 degrees Celsius. That's some warm stuff. And here's a look at the European output. And once again, we're dry today, and really we're not going to get very much in the way of rain shower until maybe that passing shower tomorrow, and that's about it. High pressure is still in control, and it's going to, I have a feeling that this high pressure may hold this system back just a touch. Showers starting to outbreak, and then the 999 low gets active Saturday afternoon and into a Sunday. And on top of that, we're talking about flooding rains likely. Possibly 4 to 6 inches of rainfall right up through the Ohio River Valley. We're not going to be dealing with that as this thing moves across the mountains. That's Sunday afternoon, about 1 o'clock. That's Monday afternoon, and the cold air on the back side of that thing, a very tight gradient, and cold air advection starting to move in as the high builds in on the west side of the mountains. That's Tuesday, and we're dry, and high pressure is now building in. Once again, cold air advection in full force, and that's Christmas. But some warmer air starts to build in here as the high builds off towards the north and east of us. And that starts to bring in some easterly flow. That could back in a couple of light showers, maybe some clouds for our coastal areas on Wednesday. So we're not going to go completely dry on Wednesday, but we'll make the mention of maybe a stray shower on Christmas Day, but temperatures will still be cool, nearing normal. Here's the end of the forecast period. That would be on 2 days before the new year. And we're dry here, but some of the indications somewhere in the middle, we're talking about another storm system. That is Thursday, the 26th. On the backside of that high pressure system, that's the European showing some interesting things going on there. And then that system rolls out. And then, like I said, at the end of the period, we're dry. So that's something interesting to watch there. The GFS does not have that solution at all. We're dry on the GFS. But that's an interesting look on the European. Quick look at our 7-day forecast. Once again, overall not too bad. And like I said, maybe a stray shower in our BAMS model and the European showing that stray shower potential for the coastal areas Saturday and Friday. The winds really pick up on Sunday. I think we get winds in here southwesterly, 15, 20 miles per hour potentially. It's going to be basically the blowtorch, and that's going to help us boost up those temperatures. But I think with enough cloud coverage, we should hold down the temperatures enough that we don't hit record temperatures. But it's going to be close. It's going to be darn close. Frontal boundary moves in here Monday. That drops the temperatures with a 60% chance of rain. And like I said, there will be that chance still Tuesday and Wednesday for maybe a stray coastal shower. And if the European is right, Thursday may turn quite wet for us. That'll do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. Stay up to date with us. Facebook, Twitter, WNCT.com. Next update here will be by tomorrow morning. You guys have a great rest of your day. A great day tomorrow. A great evening tonight. Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer will have the updates on the television side tonight. 5:30, 6, 10 o'clock on CW, and 11 o'clock right back on WNCT. Guys, have a great rest of your day and a great weather week ahead.